Have you ever seen a puppy get the hiccups? It's adorable, but why does it happen? Let's find out. Just like humans, puppies get hiccups when their diaphragm spasms. This can happen when they eat or drink too fast, get overly excited, or even during sleep. Yes, puppy hiccups are completely normal and usually go away on their own in a few minutes. They're more common in young dogs because their bodies are still developing. If your puppy gets frequent hiccups, try slowing down their eating, keeping them calm, or offering a little water. Gentle belly rubs can also help relax their diaphragm. Puppy hiccups are cute and harmless. So next time you see those tiny hiccups, don't worry. Just enjoy the adorableness. Does your puppy get the hiccups often? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun puppy facts.